The Spring Showcase is hours and hours of work put on the big screen. And it is a celebration of movies. It is a celebration of creativity. It is a celebration of hard work that is put into these projects.
It feels really good. Not to sound cliche, but it really is just an honor to be nominated with all these great other nominees.
It feels amazing. I actually wasn't expecting to be nominated for all of those. I'm really happy, and it's nice to see all the work that I put into it.
I think people should come to the Student Film Showcase because a lot of people worked on the films, and I think we put not only our work but our hearts into it, and our efforts and our patience. And not only do we want ourselves to see it, which I know not a lot of people get to see them when the edit is done, but I think it's meaningful to have somebody else see it and witness it.
I'm excited to see everyone get all of their hard work recognized up on the big screen. Everyone who was a part of it deserves to have that spotlight.
Being part of, sorry, I'm so sorry, hold on. Let me get this shit off. Being part of something so big is very, very fun and very fulfilling. And it's really cool to be part of like these really interesting long-term projects. I think that more than anything has been really cool.
Come support the Gavilan students. We have a lot of very skilled, I like to say talented, but skilled specifically because the showcase is the product of the labor and effort and time of a lot of students over the course of the semester and outside school hours as well. I know a lot of people put more time than in class into their films. They have to put effort into actually learning to do what they're doing. A lot of new skills are garnered while they pour themselves into these projects, and the outcome, I think, would be phenomenal to see and enjoy, but also something to do to support the people who attend this school.
It's really awesome. I feel like I've found like a place here. Acting is something that I've always loved to do, and it's so, I don't know, it's a lot of fun. I got started doing makeup for the department first and was like on set a bunch, and Grant was like, so you're gonna take the acting class, right? And I ended up in the acting class, and here we are.
To watch a film that I've worked on with a bunch of other people that either were a part of the process of making the film and with people that were just there to watch the movie, I think it's pretty awesome. And especially like during the showcase where you're in a theater full of people that just want to watch films. I just think it's really awesome.
I don't know, it just feels really cool to get like a nomination, especially for something I've worked really hard on, something I'm really passionate about. I don't know, it's just nice to see like all this hard work that's like finally like finished, complete, and you get to see like the final product, especially if you were there on set that day. You can see like what the director wanted as their like final vision.
I think it's one of those outlets that is group-based, and I think it's really cool to see everybody put in so much effort into something, and for something so cool to come out of it, and getting to see that final product is really rewarding. Having friends who were making projects who said like, hey, like I can get you a role in here, I can put you in here, and getting to try that out for the first time, it was so fun. I mean, I'm immensely glad that I gave it a shot, and to be nominated for something on top of that is nuts to me. I mean, I remember, I think the piece that I got nominated for was Silly Pranks for Best Comedy Performance. I remember him explaining that to me in the car, like when he had just thrown on a Google Doc. So to kind of, to remember that and then be here where this is, a project that not only was I in, but like we produced and now is done and has been judged and critiqued pretty well, it looks like. It's crazy. It's really a crazy feeling. I spent so much time trying to focus on getting work done that I didn't really consider that
the work would actually be enjoyed by anybody, especially to the point where anyone would actually nominate me for anything. So getting 5 of them was kind of like, that's cool.
I love being part of the film program. I would like to say this is the first time I've actually felt a part of something in a very long time, and I'm enjoying it very much. And I've found a new passion that I didn't know I had before. Yeah, I think they should come because they're all great films, and everyone's going to have a good time watching all these terrific movies that all the students and the community have made.
Because you get to see spectrum of art forms. You get to see like all the different kinds of like genres that like people chose to do. There's lots of talented editors, actors, directors in this department that really inspire me. I'm really grateful to be a part of this department.
It feels pretty good to be nominated for a Gavy. I've been nominated for the Best New Actor Award, and that's very flattering to me.
With filmmaking, I enjoy, again, is that it's a visual storytelling, as instead of reading a book, listening to something, you are experiencing it in a different way.
Just the awesome films there up on the big screen, just having a large audience and watching them like react to the films that you made is like a different experience than just watching it on your computer.
And I came to the showcase last year, and it was my first time ever going, and it was really cool and really special to see, and getting to see like, oh, that person's in that project, and they're also in that. And they worked on it as like an AD or as like a, it's really cool to see like everyone trying different positions, and it's awesome.
Yeah, you get to hear everyone, like their reactions, their laughter. That's like a great feeling. Yeah.
I've only ever made short films, so getting to premiere my first feature film is really surreal. It's wild. I'm really excited to see something. I'm really excited to see an audience react to a dream I had.
The quality that Gavilan produces is very well made. Our low to no budget production filmmaking is on par with other university level programs that I've seen throughout California. And also, as an avid fan of watching independent filmmaking on stuff like YouTube and Vimeo, what we're making here is as good, if not better, than anything else that I've seen.